Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. If you've ever hit record and suddenly thought, wait, what was I going to say again? You're definitely not alone. Today I'm going to show you how I plan my YouTube videos step by step using a really simple method that keeps me organised, confident and consistent even when life is really busy. So whether you're brand new to YouTube or just want to save time and feel more prepared, this planning system is easy, flexible, and it actually works. So let's get into it. So the first thing I do is keep a running list of video ideas. Nothing fancy, just a simple notes app on my phone, or you could even use a notebook if you want to. Anytime an idea pops into my head, while walking, scrolling online, even in the middle of making tea, I jot it down in my notes app. Because trust me, when you're over 40, and a woman, if you don't jot it down, it just disappears. Let me know in the comments below if you feel this as well. So this way, when it's time to film, I'm not sitting there thinking, oh, what should I make a video about? Because I've already got a list ready to go. So once I've picked a topic, I make a quick outline. I don't script word for word because that can be too much pressure and you can sound really robotic. So instead, I just write a few bullet points. So my intro, how I'll open the video, 3 to 5 points I want to cover in the video, and a clear wrap up with a call to action. So this way I can stay natural but still keep on track. It also helps with editing because I can tend to ramble a lot, and I ramble a lot less when I know what I'm doing next. So I keep all of my outlines in Google Docs, but you can use anything. You can have pages in your notebook or a planner, whatever it is that works for you. I've also got a simple checklist for each video that helps me stay organised. So the idea, the outline, the recording, the editing and the upload part and all the SEO and all the bits that go with that. This sounds basic, okay, but it stops me from forgetting steps. And in my book, that's a win. So planning isn't just about saving time. It's also about feeling calm and in control when the camera is on. So when I know what I'm going to say, I feel much more confident. I don't freeze up. I don't ramble on as much. And I can focus on delivering more value to you. So even just 10 minutes of prep for every video can make a huge difference. So that's how I plan my videos. Quick, simple and flexible. It helps me stay consistent, confident and way less stressed. So I'd love to know, what's your process like? Do you plan in advance or just wing it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting YouTube. Remember, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.